second UN Tourism Regional Conference on the Empowerment of Women in Tourism in Asia and Pacific has officially started. Through this conference, gender equality and women empowerment in the tourism industry are expected to continue to improve and encourage innovation, sustainability, and inclusivity in the tourism sector.
There is one famous saying that I want to share with you here by Ibu Kartini. She said in Indonesian, in bahasa, sampai kapanpun kemajuan perempuan itu menjadi faktor penting dalam peradaban bangsa, which translates in English, at any time, women's advancement is an important factor of a nation's civilization. And I couldn't agree more. Women's empowerment is not just a matter of achieving equity, equality, and human rights, but women's empowerment translates into economic, social, and environmental. Studies have shown that empowering women also means better climate solutions, with their crucial role in managing, conserving, and utilizing natural resources. It also reduces poverty rates, reduces food insecurity, and increases families' wellness for safer and healthier communities and hence nations. Tourism is said to be one of the answers to gender inequality gap. Due to many opportunities it gives women to participate in the sector, and in many parts of the world, including Indonesia, women make up most of the tourism workforce and entrepreneurial ventures, even in education. Moreover, through tourism, people-to-people contact increases, and here, ideas and perspectives are exchanged and opening up the local people's horizon to the possibilities of what women can do, and this is empowering. So with this opportunity, I would like to acknowledge UN Tourism for your commitment to this cause, and of course to everyone here, excellencies and all distinguished guests, and to my team in the Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy, and of course Bali Tourism Polytechnic University. I'm sure that this conference catalyzes meaningful change for women in the tourism sector, and also the tourism sector through women empowerment.
We are gathered here today with a common goal, which that we share the vision for the future of our sector. The tourism offers more and better opportunity for empowerment to the women and the girls, and the tourism environment in which gender equality is not policy but as reality.
The conference is composed not only as a forum for discussion, but also as a real action for the development in the field of global tourism by presenting credible experts as speakers.